further more about that topic, and that one is grammar. Don't afraid about grammar. Grammar is uh, a very simple learning tool, that because through grammar we can use language easily. Today we learned grammar as a game, as an activity. Just go for it. So here is our topic: the wild boar and the fox. His given some given words are given in our textbook. Sharpen. Sharpen means टोकदार करणे. So what we have to do with this word? So how can we use this word in sentence? Means how can we use this action word? This one is the action word. How can we use this action word in our sentence? Second one is write. To write means लिहिणे. Third one is decorate. To decorate means सजवणे. Next one is paint. To paint means रंग देणे. First we learn all words, then I will explain about it. Next one is draw. Draw means चित्र काढणे. Play. To play means खेळणे. To open. Open means उघडणे. To close. To close म्हणजे बंद करणे. Wash. Wash means धुणे. Throw. To throw means फेकणे. So these are some simple words which we use in our daily routine exercise, in our daily routine speaking. So with these words, how can we make some sentences, or how can we use these words in our speaking? So let's we see about it. Sharpen. So as we see, sharpen. To sharpen means टोकदार करणे. So how can we use this word in our speaking or in our sentences? How can we do this activity, this action word in our sentence? म्हणजे आपण ह्या शब्दाचा वापर कोणकोणत्या कृती करण्यासाठी करू शकतो? बरोबर. शार्प. सगळ्यात पहिले आपल्या लक्षात येतं ते म्हणजे आपण शार्प काय करत होतो? पेन्सिल. We sharp our pencil. Right. अजून?
Knife.
Yes, knife. Knife. Tusk. In this topic we learn tusk. The boar sharpen his tusk. We sharpen tusk. Next one. Today we are sharpen your mind. Do you know how to sharp mind? With study. आपण जर अभ्यास केला तर आपला माइंड शार्प होतो म्हणतो ना, शार्प माइंडेड स्टुडंट आहे म्हणून. असं त्याच पद्धतीने शार्प युअर माइंड. शार्पन माइंड. So we can use sharpen this action word for these all words. We sharp pencil, we sharp knife, we sharp tusk, we sharp mind. We can use this word for these all words. These are related to sharpen this action word. So in this activity, we have to collect these types of words for given action word. Right? Here is I given just one. Next one is write. Right. So write. Write means लिहिणे. Write means लिहिणे. So when we use write this word, this action word,
Later.
yes, you later, right? You told me, ma'am, I write answer, I write poem, I write story.
Says.
Story,
I write on the board.
essay, board, right? Poem, stanza, and many more. You can use your own words in this diagram, right? You have to make your own diagram in your textbook. I just give you an example. Some examples I will give you here. But in textbook, there are so many words are given on page number 9. So you have to make your own diagram in your notebook and show me next day. Okay. Now we will see next word. Decorate. When we use this word? To decorate. Do you use this word in your classroom, in your home? We always use this word, na? Yes, ma'am, I decorate our class. Yes, ma'am, I decorate my notebook. Yes, ma'am, I decorate our office. We always decorate. We always decorate on Ganpati when Ganpati Bappa comes at our home, na? We decorate our house, na? Yes, for Mahalakshmi occasion we decorate our room, right? We decorate room. We decorate class. Notebook. We decorate notebook.
School.
Yes, school also very good.
Greeting card. Greeting card.
Yes, greeting card. Yeah, it's also a very good example for decoration. So we use decorate this word. Decorate this word for these all related words. Okay. So keep in mind. You can also extend this word bank in your own way. Next word is paint. Paint. Paint means it's a noun also and it's a verb also, means it's a action word also. So we always use this word as a paint. Paint means पेंटरने पेंट केलं, राईट? रंग देणे, रंगवणे. तर पेंट करणे ते आपल्याला माहिती आहे. आपण सरळ मराठी आणि इंग्रजी दोघं एकत्र करतो त्यावेळेस आमच्या घराला पेंट केलं. So to paint, this action word. We always use this word in our language. Okay. So paint. Paint means रंग देणे किंवा रंगवणे. So what we paint? We means any person. We paint a wall, right? We paint
picture.
Table.
Picture.
Picture. Board. Like this. We can use this action word for these related words. Okay. Next one is draw. Draw. So when we use this word, draw means चित्र काढणे. आपण पाहिले आधीच चित्र काढणे. So we draw means we sketch, right? Sketch. So what, for which words we can use draw this action word? For picture.
Line.
Picture. I draw line. I draw shape, right? We can use these action words. Yes, very nice. Rangoli. We can use this action word, these related words according to this action word. Next one is your favorite. You like to play, na? Yes. Every child likes to play. To play means to play means खेळणे. Here is a very big list for play, right? Yes, you play cricket.
Yes.
Favorite game, na? Cricket, football. Here are so many. Yes, you
Volleyball.
suggest me so many. You suggest me so many games. I know that. Just do your list and do your action related words as like this word. Okay. So in this way, there are 15 action words are given in our textbook. So I just show you how to write related words, how to write related words list according to this action words. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Then do your own list and next day show me it. Okay, bye.